Now we are on day 2 and the final day of the second annual Caspian and Central Asia Oil Trading and Logistics Forum here in Baku. Today's discussions are focused on how oil moves across the region and how those trade routes can become faster and more efficient, especially with how quickly the global market is changing. Over these 2 days, around 150 senior oil professionals and traders have come together. On Thursday, we heard from major players like SOCAR, along with regional transport and rail companies, all of which helped set the stage. But today, the conversations go a bit deeper into the backbone of it all: pipelines, ports, rail corridors, and the key trade routes connecting the Caspian and Central Asia. So this event is also acting as a hub connecting oil companies and traders from around the world, creating real opportunities for partnerships and future deals. So as of now, as the forum is wrapping up, it all comes down to how to take all these discussions and turn them into real practical steps for a more resilient energy network.
The day's agenda is built around several main sessions, along with a series of panel talks. The first focuses on infrastructure, looking at capacity, delays, and how key routes across the region can be improved, with experts and panelists sharing their views on the subject matter.
I talked about Trans-Caspian corridor and the important role of the Trans-Caspian corridor. During these recent years, especially from 2022, it became not alternative route. It became a strategical route which is stable and needs for the region, especially we know that it connects China with Europe and vice versa. So it's a strategical role of this corridor now very important.
Okay, well, I think most importantly is that people come away from the conference with a sense of the challenges for their getting together to resolve issues of logistics and the middle corridor in terms of the collaboration that's required between the business community and the government.
The second session turns to risk and finance, covering investment conditions, access to funding, as well as sanctions, insurance, and the rules shaping trade, especially on how to better manage risks across cargo, shipping, and rail.
Well, firstly, I would say that having been involved with the Caspian for 25, 30 years, one of the things that stand out is obviously the production of crude, especially from Kazakhstan, and the mere volume, and obviously in Azerbaijan. The potential has always been there for cross-Caspian movements.
But key trade, credible.
The region, like Azerbaijan and the Central Asian region, they lie in between like east and west, and even from the ancient times, this road was part of the Silk Way route. And now, well, as a result of Chinese policy of one road, one belt, this region is getting more investments, more interest, more attention.
Together, the talks show a shared focus across countries like Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, as well as others in the region and the Middle East, not just moving oil, but moving it more securely.